Hello everyone, this is Chandan from the learning field. So this video is the update regarding the next two classes of general aptitude of GATE statistics 2019 and 2020. Okay, so we already solved the 5 papers of math general aptitude of GATE exams from 2018 to 2022, and the statistics paper, two statistics paper of 2020 GATE 2022 and 2021. Okay, so I am just preparing the slides or preparing the content for the GATE next classes on the GATE general aptitude on statistics of 2020 and 2019, and I just see that the questions or the papers is same as the questions paper of GATE mathematics 2019 and 2020. Okay, that is the two papers of statistics is same as the paper of mathematics of GATE 2019 and 2020. Okay, so we already solved the mathematics paper of GATE 2019 and 2020. Okay, so that's why we are not solving these two papers of statistics. I'll make in this video, I'll share the thumbnail. That is, in this thumbnail you can see that this is the solution video of statistics 2019 and 2020. Okay, so in this video I will provide the link of those videos in which I am already solved the questions paper of GATE 2019 and 2020 mathematics paper. These two paper are same paper. Okay, and you can get the link in the I tab also, the GATE 2019 and 2020 mathematics paper, and these two papers is same as the statistics paper. So this is the updates regarding the next two classes or the classes of GATE statistics. I am making this video because many of you think that we are not solved the two papers of GATE statistics paper 2019 and 2020, because I am promised that I will solve the 4 papers of statistics. Okay, that is why I am making this video. Okay, this is the updates. Okay, so we are continuing the physics paper, either physics paper or chemistry paper of general aptitude, and the GATE numerical analysis lecture series for the GATE mathematics. Okay, and one more update is that this update is for the West Bengal state aspirant. Okay, so in January 8 I think 2023, the WB set, that is West Bengal state level set examination will be held. Okay, so for those classes, some of you are already comment me to make some videos or to take some classes on that topic. So I am thinking that I take some classes on general I take some classes on West Bengal set exam. Okay, I already solved the previous papers of West Bengal set exam. Okay, and some of you, suppose I think one something Subra Raha ji comment किया था मेरे को कि sir please make the videos on solution of numerical analysis. So yes, I will make the videos on the remaining topics. I think I will make most of the topics of solutions video of 2022 WB set exam. Okay, so this is the update regarding WB set exam also. And if you are just comment me if you need the any classes. Suppose I am thinking to take a classes on mechanics. Okay, because I think classical mechanics is a very important chapter for WB set exam. So I am thinking to take on some classes like this topics. Okay, so if the content is helpful, if you need this type of content, then you can comment me. If you need any one of the topics or any topics, then you can comment me in the comment section below of these videos. Okay, of this video. Okay, so thank you for watching, and this is the video. Okay, this is just some updates regarding the classes. Okay, so thank you, keep watching the learning field. Thank you. And one more request is that we are very close to 1k subscriber. Okay, that's why please do like, comment, share, and please subscribe the channel to grow fast, to grow more. Thank you.